Application of spectrophotometry in fruit crop analysis. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Fruit crops are essential to global agriculture and nutrition, significantly contributing to the dietary intake of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The quality and nutritional content of fruits can vary widely based on factors such as variety, growing conditions, and post-harvest handling. Spectrophotometry is one of the key analytical techniques in fruit crop analysis, from measuring light absorption to assessing quality, composition, and health. Spectroscopy provides access to information about the chemical components and physical properties of fruits by obtaining optical information. This non-destructive method is essential for evaluating pigments, nutrients, phenolics, quality control, pesticide residues, and shelf life. This study intends to evaluate the application of spectrophotometry in fruit crop analysis. Spectrophotometry has been used for a lot of modern applications of food quality analysis and post-harvest inspection of fruits and vegetables. Recent advances including UV-Vis, NIR, FTIR, Raman, and nanoparticle-based spectrophotometry have enhanced accuracy and sensitivity. Detailed insights into the biochemical properties of fruits have been offered by these techniques. These techniques are also aiding in the assessment of ripeness, nutritional value, and potential health benefits. Machine learning and remote sensing are expected to revolutionize the field by improving the accuracy of disease diagnosis and quality assessment. Additionally, portable and handheld spectrophotometers are becoming increasingly popular, allowing for on-site analysis in orchards and farms. This accessibility enables real-time decision-making, empowering farmers to implement precise agriculture practices and improve crop management. The future prospects of spectrophotometry in fruit crop analysis are promising, with ongoing research and development focusing on enhancing its capabilities through integration with emerging technologies. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.